How to make your sperm thicker and stronger naturally. Today's video is how you are going to make your sperm as a man thicker and stronger. If you really want to stop watery sperm, if you really want to make your sperm to be thick, mature for pregnancy, indulge or get yourself involved in doing this. Today's video, there is no recipe, there is no blend, there is no grinding. Just few things that you are going to do. You are going to have a very thick sperm and a strong sperm to make pregnancy or to have a good sperm as a man. So how are you going to do this? But before I proceed, I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. In case you are new on this channel, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Thank you for stopping by. I am going to share some ways, some things you will start doing to make it thicker and stronger. Number one is to take fruits that contains vitamins. Fruits that contains vitamins, they will help you to get a thicker and stronger sperm. What are the fruits? The fruits are blackberries, blueberries. We have blackberries, we have blueberries. Then apart from these two berries, you can still consume something like avocado pear. You can consume like date nuts. In fact, to be honest with you, consume fruits. Fruit will help you make your sperm to be thick. Number two ways is after taking fruits, the best thing to do for yourself is to always have stress-free day. Not every time you indulge in stress, you do things that will disorganize your body system. It can never help you and it can never help your body system. If you really want to make your sperm thicker and stronger, start now to indulge or get yourself in stress-free. Have enough sleep to make your body system to revitalize, to make your body system to resuscitate. So all these things will help you to make your body system to come together. And by so doing this, both your immune system and your sperm cell will grow because there is no stress disorganizing it. So indulge in stress-free mood. It will help you as a man. Number three thing you are going to do to have a thicker sperm and a stronger sperm is make sure that you consume fruits that will give you zinc. Zinc is also essential for those people that want to make their sperm thicker and stronger. Now, what are the fruits that will give you zinc? The fruits are, number one is avocado pear. Avocado pear is very rich in zinc. Once you consume avocado pear, you will get zinc naturally, and this zinc help to boost up your sperm cell. And once there is boosting up in your sperm cell, it will help you to get a thicker sperm and a strong sperm. Number four thing you need to do is make sure you consume food that is well prepared, that is balanced diet. It is very important. Another thing is refrain from smoking. Stop yourself from smoking and drinking of alcohol. If you really want to make your sperm thicker and stronger, refrain from taking alcohol and smoking. If you can do this, within some days, your sperm will be thick and stronger. Another thing you are going to do to make it thicker and stronger is make sure that you avoid taking medications that you don't know the function or what it will give you. Taking medication out of doctor's prescription is very detrimental. So you need to take medicine or medications based on what your physician directs you on. Do not take medications on your own knowledge, because you might be a novice. You don't know what actually that medicine stands for, or that medicine will work in your body system. So do not take medications out of knowledge, or do not take medications out of people that knows better than you. As a man, take medications based on doctor's prescription to avoid taking medications that will affect your sperm cell. So these are the natural ways you can indulge yourself, or you can get yourself into, to start having a thicker sperm and natural sperm. So practice it. It will help, and I believe it will help. So thank you for watching. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to put it in the comment section below. Like and share this video. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. Thank you for stopping by once again. See you in my next video. Bye.